All right, today guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the best WordPress email plugin on the market today. This one outbeats MailLister and any other one. I'm not sure how many there is. I think there's one for MailChimp. MailChimp after 2,000 subscribers, then you're going to have to start paying more. And that goes for all the major ones like Aweber, Sendinblue, all those. You're going to be paying, high monthly fees for the bigger your list gets. Okay, so with WP Response Pro and MailLister is a good plugin, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't like the way the email templates is set up. Okay, and then the settings, it's just a little bit more difficult to set up and get operating, and I can't control the emails, the way the emails look. And what I like about WP Response Pro, it's super user friendly. You install it and it's ready to roll. So, installs on WordPress in minutes, integrates with any SMTP service, create unlimited lists, create unlimited autoresponders, create unlimited broadcasts, built-in form generator, built-in email countdown timers, built-in smart pixel retargeting, automatic updates, pro support. Okay, so, and this plugin was created by Expressware. Okay, so this is a great plugin, guys, and I'm going to take you to the back office. Or actually, I'm going to take you. What I like the most about this is that when you edit your emails, it's basically like editing a WordPress post. So you can actually insert pictures, videos, like anything you want to inside the emails. And that's just awesome. With MailLister, it's like you got templates, and I just don't really care for the templates. And the way it's set up. Okay, so I prefer this. And when I take you back and I show you exactly how easy it looks, I mean, it's a no-brainer. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you how the form looks on the home page of MLM page, so you can kind of get an idea of that. So I'm over here on my website MLM page, and if you scroll down to the bottom right here, I have an email, which I use Elementor on here, so I was easily to add the code into the page builder, and this is what it looks like. If you're interested in high quality MLM, WordPress, and make money online leads, you can join the email exchange list right here and get a list of high qualifying leads for your business. Also, if you're interested in seeing how the plugin works and the autoresponder works and how the email looks, then go ahead and sign up here, and you'll get the leads, and you'll actually get an email within a minute after you sign up. That is the way I have it set up. You can set it up different ways to send the email after a day or two, or 30 minutes, or etc. But I chose on this one to send it directly 1 minute after the sign up. Okay, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and sign up, and you can kind of see how the plugin works in real time. Okay, so now I'm going to take you to the back office of the MLM page, and once you install it, you're going to have a WP Response Pro tab down here, and you'll have all the settings. You'll have to go to the settings and put in your purchase code. Otherwise, you won't be able to see all this. Once you do have your form up and operating on your website and you're starting to get subscribers, you check the dashboard every day, and this is where you're going to see your emails come in, and you can keep track of your subscribers. Okay, it'll tell you how many subscribers you have. This is a fresh install on this website. So right here, 1 subscribe, no unsubscribers, no bounced emails. Okay, and it tells you how many autoresponders you have, how many subscribers you have, how many unsubscribed, bounced, and how many broadcasts you've sent. Right here is where you create your list, and you can check your subscribers right here. Right here is where you send your broadcast, and I'll show you this. It's basically just like the autoresponders, but this is a broadcast that you can send at any time, or you can schedule it, which it's just real super easy. So once you go here, you'll just click on add new, and see right here the editor pops up. So you can just type in your email. You can use any of these. You can insert the personalization like a name, and then it's going to give you the tab, and it's going to insert the name of the subscriber when it sends the message. So that's pretty cool too, I thought. And then you can also add your media title, and then you can schedule when you want the message to be sent out, and you can choose the list or all list or anything that you want over here. Okay, it's that simple. And then you can test it before you send it, or you can just send it now. Okay. Also the sign up form right here, we'll go to the sign up form real quick. is pretty cool because all you got to do is just copy this form code right here and insert it into a page or into a page builder. And it also works with other plugins that allow HTML code for forms and stuff. So like some form plugins, you can integrate them with certain form plugins. I think like, WP Forms or Ninja Forms, stuff like that. Okay. Like also you can put it into like there's pop-up plugins. This right here, it will integrate with a lot of those pop-up plugins. Like if you need a pop-up and then need an email pop-up, then that'll be the way you go about creating one of those. And the form is real simple. You just check require email verification. If you want double opt-in, you'll check that, and then you'll need a page to send them to, letting them know to go check their email to verify it. Okay, so that's important, and you'll want to have that page created before you actually check this on, so you can add that there. Okay, if you don't need a double opt-in, then leave that unchecked, but always always check the enable honeypot protection. Okay, so that adds that to the code. And then down here, you'll click subscribe to, and then your list. So if you have multiple lists in here, you'll want to check all of them or just the one that you need. Okay. And then you'll want to have your thank you page URL set up right here. So once you do that, then you copy the code and then you take it to your page builder or somewhere on your website and you install that, and you'll have a form on your website. Okay. It's that simple, guys. And the autoresponders, awesome. It also has the pixel builder too, so you can create the pixel builder. But the autoresponder is pretty self-explanatory too. You just click add new, and once you go there, it's going to take you to a page like this, and then you'll just edit and as you can see, I have this picture. So if you subscribe to the email exchange list on the on the front page of MLM page, then you will actually be getting this email, and you can actually see how it looks when it comes through. Okay, so this is basically how you set your emails up, and then right here is the time. So if you want to send days, hours, or minutes afterwards, and then what list you want to send it to, and then you can skip people who open certain emails or whatnot, and then you can test it and save it, and it'll be ready to rock and roll. So this plugin, guys, works, I believe, the best if you have WPM or WP Mail SMTP installed as well. Okay, and just use the PHP. It works flawlessly, so you don't have to pay anything. And this plugin right here, you can just get out of the WordPress repository, the plugin repository, and it's free. So you just download WP Mail SMTP and install WP Response Pro, and you have yourself an awesome email marketing tool on your hands, built in to your website, and it works flawlessly, guys. The emails get sent directly to the inbox, no spam boxes. It's coming directly from your website, so it looks like it's coming from your website domain. Works flawlessly. And then also at the autoresponders, I was just already on there. You can track the once you click on autoresponders, you can track the sends, the opens, and the clicks. As you can see, sent this 1 minute after the subscriber subscribed, and it sent it, and it shows 1 open with 3 clicks. So that means the user clicked on that link 3 times inside of the email. So that's awesome as well, guys. I don't remember seeing MailLister. It's just by far, this makes it just real simple, guys. MailLister just is all over the place, and it's hard to find stuff, and I really like this tool and this plugin, guys. So I highly recommend going over to these guys' website. I'll try to leave a link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. Otherwise, if you're watching this on MLM page on the post, I will also leave a link in the article to go over there, and you guys can purchase this plugin. Highly recommend it. And also, these guys have a lot of nice WordPress plugins, useful plugins, and I highly recommend looking over all their plugins and seeing which one can benefit you and your business. But definitely pick up this WP Response Pro. It will save you money. I think they're selling it for like $67 now. I can't remember how much it cost when I first purchased it. I think I got it when they first came out with it, so I got it for a cheaper price. But It's been out for a few years now, and the price has gone up. And I'm assuming that, you know, the longer it goes, the higher the price is going to go, because it's well worth it. It's well worth the $67 instead of paying $67 a month for these other, you know, uh, autoresponder companies and stuff. This it just beats them all. I mean, it's a no brainer, right? I do have a treat for my MLM members on my website. If you were to join my premium membership, I offer, basically, I will install this on your website free of charge. So if you are interested in and you don't really want to pay $67, then you can become a premium member to MLM Page, which you'll get a whole bunch of resources, tools, plugins, themes, access to the chat rooms. Just basically, you can video chat with me anytime if you need help. I can go over the settings with you, but I will install this for my premium members. All you have to do is just hit me up in the chat over here. My name's Marketer over here. So you just hit me up over here and give me your login credentials. I'll go in, install the plugin, and I will add my purchase code to the plugin, and it will be fully activated and it will update automatically. So, and all you have to do is just go in basically and put in your settings and set up everything like I basically just showed you, and you'll have a full, you know, autoresponder email marketing system right into your website. So if that's something that interests you as well, highly recommend it. Become a premium member at MLM Page and you can get access to this. I will install it on your website totally free, so you don't have to pay the $67. I hope this has been good. If you're on YouTube, like, subscribe. If you're on MLM Page, think about becoming a premium member. I have a lot of tutorials on the inside, a lot of things to help with WordPress, MLM, and making money online. So if you're interested in that, hop on over, and I'll see you. Peace.